Hello movie fans! I'm Voice82 and
I am the female version of Voice82, and now we have a new unboxing video for you in English. It's about the movie
Chappie!
Yes, and this very special full slip edition is from Filmarena, and it's very shiny and embossed.
Do you see it?
Yes. The front cover is very nice.
Do you see here's a Chappie?
The Chappie is very shiny.
And the back cover?
It's very shiny too and embossed.
Great. And
The limited number is 763 of 2000.
9 of 1000.
Of 1000. Oh, it's more limited than the last edition.
Oh yes.
And now here's the limited card. It's very grateful too. Here's the number.
763 and the back
of 1000.
side.
Yes. And now let's take a look at the stickers from the movie. Very nice sticker, but we don't put them on a wall. Voice don't want it.
No.
But they're so nice, but he don't want it. And now here's very special picture cards from the characters of the movie.
Michelle Bradley, Vincent Moore, Diane Wilson, Chappie, Yolandi, Chenki, Ninja, Hibbo, and the regisseur is Neil Blomkamp. Yeah.
That was the picture cards.
Oh,
and
yes.
Now let's take a look inside the full slip. What do we have here? A photo book. It's very nice. And now
The back side are blue.
very nice picture. Such a great movie. I like it very much. I don't want. It tells the story from the beginning of the movie till the end. It's a steelbook with a Landy collar cover.
Oh yes.
Do you see it? Chappie on the front. Very shiny, very nice. And we turn it off. And now here's Chappie again.
And inside the Steelbook.
The Blu-ray. It has an English sound only. Not German.
And here's a bonus disc.
It's in English too.
And here
So inside, it's a comic from Chappie, from the war.
and the back
The back cover.
is this one. Really great.
Yes.
Yeah. This was all.
Said it was. Let's turn back the disc. And this very great full slip you can buy on megastorepalast.de. You can pay with credit card and PayPal and buy it. It's very grateful. And we see you on the next video. Subscribe here. There. Subscribe here. And bye.